Realme Narzo 20A to go on its first sale today at 12 noon Viaduct Flipkart, Realme.com, price in India, specifications. Realme Narzo 20A will be going on its first sale today, September 30th, starting 12 p.m. noon, via Flipkart and Realme.com. Key features of the phone include a triple rear camera setup and a large 5,000 mAh battery. It features an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, housed inside the water drop style notch at the front. The phone will be available in 2 color options and 2 storage configurations. It was launched last week alongside Realme Narzo 20 and Realme Narzo 20 Pro. Realme Narzo 20A price, availability. The Realme Narzo 20A will be up for sale starting 12 p.m. noon, via Flipkart and Realme.com. The phone is priced at 8,499 rupees for the 3GB plus 32GB storage variant and at 9,499 rupees for the 4GB plus 64GB storage variant. It will also be available in select offline stores soon. Realme Narzo 20A will be offered in Glory Silver and Victory Blue color options. Realme Narzo 20A specifications. The Realme Narzo 20A features a 6.5-inch HD+, 720 by 1600 pixels, display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The dual SIM, Nano, smartphone runs on Realme UI, based on Android 10 via microSD card. Speaking of optics, the Realme phone features a triple rear camera setup that includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 lens, a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with an f/2.4 lens, and a 2-megapixel retro sensor with an f/2.4 lens. For selfies and video calls, the Realme Narzo 20A has an 8-megapixel snapper at the front. The phone packs a 5,000 mAh battery that supports reverse charging. Connectivity options for Realme Narzo 20A include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, a GPS, and a micro USB port. It also has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. The phone measures 164.4 by 75.4 by 8. 9 mm and weighs 195 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.